got a little buy signal down here, and just put my stop down here and went to sleep and woke up this morning and it was here. And I had to look at it like 3 times and put eye drops in because I couldn't believe it. This never happens. I'm usually getting my ass handed to me in the middle of the night.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's July 28th, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. The EU and US agreed on a trade deal imposing a 15% tariff on most EU exports to the US, including cars, semiconductors, and pharmaceuticals, while a 50% tariff on steel and aluminium remains. The EU will buy $750 billion in US energy and invest $600 billion in the US. Some sectors will be exempt under a zero-for-zero tariff arrangement. Financial markets welcomed the deal, though reactions were mixed. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
So, what I did, Dave,
Okay.
as we were talking before the show, we now have a swing trade system and we now have a scalping system. I personally prefer to scalp because, like I said, I like the dopamine hit. Other people who have other commitments like jobs and families and whatever can't sit at a screen for 2 hours a day to scalp, so they have to be able to swing trade. So I wanted to provide folks with both so they have an alternative if they want one.
Okay.
So that's why we're here. We're here to make money. That's right. I changed the time frame for the swing trade system to an hour because I thought that would be more appropriate for that style of trading. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a 1 hour chart you're looking at.
Okay. Yeah.
Make a note. And the other thing that I did, I jacked up the volume filter to one whole notch higher. I also have an RSI filter that I put in there because I just can't live without that RSI. I don't know why. It's like
Safety net.
I feel like there's no net under me if I'm trading and I don't know what that number is. So anyway, it has to pass a certain filter for volume before these will even fire off. I left it so that the colors change so I know when it's breaching the swing points. So anyway, that being said, so where are we at right now? So on this particular instrument, the Aussie US dollar, we've just breached this lower swing point. It looks like it's pulling back a little bit, so it's bouncing off the bottom back up here. This looks very much like a downtrend in the hourly chart. So I would imagine it, since that is a swing point, it will probably do something like this. That would be my prediction for that guy.
Gotcha.
US dollar, Canadian dollar. So we are clearly here in an uptrend. We just bounced off overhead resistance. It's pulled back in below the swing points. Probably looking for another breakout to the upside. That looks like a pretty strong trend to me.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
Okay, next one. US Chief. Boy, did I make a lot of money on this one last night. Got a little buy signal down here and just put my stop down here and went to sleep and woke up this morning and it was here. I had to look at it like 3 times and put eye drops in because I couldn't believe it. This never happens. I'm usually getting my ass handed to me in the middle of the night. So I don't know what the hell is going on.
Magic people wanted the price up.
I guess that's what it was, the magic people. Harry Potter shit. And then pound dollar, we are in a downtrend on the pound dollar, but we are currently chopping sideways between two swing points. This obviously is fired already once because here's a stop loss and here's a profit target. So that was probably when it did this right here.
Hmm.
If you want it, when it's in the middle like this, you could place the trade in the direction of the trend and then just target this and set your stop there.
Yeah.
That would work. So that's it for all of the currency pairs. I took a bunch of money out of my account. I found this is a weird psychological thing I do to myself. When I get too much money in the account, I get lazy and I take too many trades. Every time it gets like to 10K, I'll take out 5 or 6 or 7K and
Yeah.
just bank it. And then that leaves me with one and change or two and change or whatever. And I found that I'm just way more focused when I do that. And that's not something I thought of. I learned that trick from watching this one guy on YouTube, which is that's what he does all the time. He starts with these really little accounts and he grows them up to 10K or 15 or 20K, and then he takes all the money out and starts over again. And he said that's just his way of keeping himself from being a retard. And it
Oh, it
works.
works.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it works. So, yeah, that's what's going on, man.
All right. Works for
All
me.
right.